Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to hide candles in TradingView. If you've ever found your charts overwhelmed with too much information, this technique could be just what you need to streamline your analysis. By hiding the candles, you can simplify your view and concentrate on other indicators without unnecessary distractions. Let's jump right in and see how you can effectively declutter your TradingView charts. To start, head over to your chart settings, which is the main place to adjust how your chart looks. On TradingView, you'll find the chart settings in the top toolbar, usually shown as a gear icon. Click on it, and a window with multiple tabs will pop up, each focusing on a different aspect of your chart's appearance. Now, the key tab you'll want to focus on is the Symbol tab. This is where you can fine-tune how your candlesticks are displayed. In this section, you'll see various options related to the visual components of your candlesticks: the body, the wicks, and the borders. Each of these elements plays a critical role in presenting market data through the candlestick pattern. Let's break it down step by step. First, focus on the body of the candlestick. This part shows the opening and closing prices over a given time. By disabling it, you remove the color-filled body, which is the main part of the candle. Next, look at the wicks, which indicate the highs and lows for that period. Simply disable their visibility to remove them from your chart. Finally, turn off the borders, which outline each candlestick's body. Once the borders are disabled, you've successfully hidden every part of the candle structure. Now, your chart should appear much cleaner and free of candlesticks. While this setup might be visually appealing or less distracting, keep in mind that it also hides the price information usually conveyed by the candlesticks. However, if your goal is to focus solely on other indicators or trend lines, this method can be incredibly helpful. If you ever want to revert these changes and bring back the candlesticks, you can easily go back to the same settings and re-enable these components. Feel free to experiment until you find a setup that best fits your analytical needs. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to hide candlesticks in TradingView, helping you to declutter your workspace. Thanks for tuning in to PMN Online, and happy trading. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to hide candles in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.